Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Smarthome app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Smarthome is an app designed to manage and control various smart devices across your home. It supports a wide range of products such as smart bulbs, plugs, cameras, sensors, and appliances, allowing users to monitor and automate their home environment through a single interface. It also works with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app interface is user-friendly, making it easy to add devices and set up automation scenes. Many users appreciate features like scheduling, remote access, and real-time notifications. The app also allows multiple users, which is helpful for families managing the same smart system. Device pairing is usually quick, and the controls are responsive. That said, some users have reported occasional connectivity issues, especially with Wi-Fi-based devices. The app may take time to sync updates across all devices, and certain advanced settings may be hard to find. Integration with some third-party brands can also be limited depending on device compatibility. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Smarthome is a solid app if you want centralized control over your smart devices. It's easy to use, compatible with many products, and supports essential home automation features. But for those using niche or less common smart devices, compatibility and control options may vary. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.